I remember. It was love at first swipe. We instantly connected, an immediate click.
Oh, the things we like, and like, and like. The love we shared, the greatest chats. Lolling and rolling on the floor laughing.
Our love was trending amongst friends and fans. An algorithm for love.
But I began wondering, don't we deserve a better connection?
Hashtag Unplug.
Disconnect to reconnect. Temporarily unavailable.
We can still hang out, but sometimes it's time for real time.
Go analog in dialogue.
A selfie of self-reflection. Turn the pages from time to time.
Today, I'm offline. Tomorrow, you can add me as a friend. It takes courage to unplug. But it's time to hear the real birds tweet.
Log out,
unplug.